Hey, I'm Chris with CarryonUSA.com, and I actually have two people here, Leslie and Chris from
Barefoot Bay,
Bare-
Florida.
Barefoot Bay 4. This is true. This is a true review. They drove up here. There's a small repair that needs to be done, and they wanted to come here because I guess you didn't really get the support down in Florida that you needed.
Nope. We wanted to take it to you. We always got really good service from you. I've got everything I've needed. I've been thrilled. I love the scooter. I take it everywhere with me. I use it every day. I get stopped 10 times at the doctor's office. Everybody wants to know about this scooter because it's small, it's compact. I can put it in the car. It's easier when he does, but I can do it. And I'm telling you, it's a good deal. I think it's affordable. I think it's compact. It gets me where I want to go. It's been very dependable. I went on a big cruise ship, and I did 30% of that ship. So I bought one of these. Now I can go offshore. I'm on the dock. I'm visiting. I'm telling you, it changed my life. Chris, what you do here is phenomenal.
Thank you
Thank you so appreciate it.
Thank you so much. So they're talking about the Carryon GB120. Now they bought this online, so y'all bought two of them.
Yep.
And how'd you find us, first of all? Just
I found you on the internet.
Okay.
And I did my research. There's a lot about this unit that I love. It's got the here you got that distance. I don't get high centered. It's compactable. The airline was a huge thing for us. You know, because we have people on the other side of the country. I take it right up to the gate. You got the airline battery. So everything about it is just works for us.
There's got to be something you don't like about it.
I don't like that I get dirt in here every now and then.
Okay, so
That's the one deal. That's the only thing I don't like.
and that's not too hard of a fix. It's just kind of clean the inside, but I get it. I wanted to get them on because they do have two, and they've been very happy with it. So if you're looking for a lightweight, easy to load scooter, because you're not really picking the scooter up, you're really using leverage, correct?
Leverage to do it, absolutely.
And we have a lot of videos of leverage into the car, and that's kind of why it makes it such an awesome scooter compared to a fold-up scooter. So again,
90% of the people are like, I don't need the lift in the back. And I'm like, no, it's light enough to put in there.
right.
So
What lifts can be $3,000-$4,000. This is around $2,000. Price does change, and so you don't have to spend the extra money for the lift, which is nice. We really love this scooter, the GB120 from CarryonUSA.com. We ship them pretty quick, and yeah, so.
and it was right out of the box. It was easy to put together. My husband set it up, put the battery in, put the fuse in, and I'm off and running.
And she's walking her dog
Twice a day,
Twice
absolutely.
a day, so she's getting the use out of it there, and she's also taking it on cruises, taking it on airplanes. So there's two different versions. You got a GB120 long range, and you got a GB120 TSA. They have the GB120 TSA.
Yes.
So far it's been good for them. I'm happy to have them on here to talk to y'all, because if you're looking for a mobility unit, I really think you need to take a shot at checking the Carryon out, CarryonUSA.com, or give us a call at 803-926-2224.